Hi everybody! Today we're here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and we're going to go into the Fox and Parrot Tavern. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Well, nestled in the side of a mountain here in the arts and crafts community is a neat little eatery called the Fox and Parrot Tavern. You can get all your English ales or maybe some of your English favorite eats. They're open until 8 p.m. Gotta walk up these steps. It's definitely not handicap accessible. So it's located all the way at the very top. They got Guinness shrimp, clam strips, fish sandwich, pretzels and cheese, toadstools, bratwurst, deep fried oysters. Well, they got some appetizers. They got chicken tenders, parrot wings. They got Welsh rabbit. They also have bangers and mash, Scotch eggs, and chips and cheese. Here's their menu. They have scallops, they have fish and chips, a Ruben sandwich, they have a steak and mushroom pie, chicken pie, Cornish pastry, bubbles and squeak, shepherd's pie, and the poacher's roll. Also have a kids menu here. They got a beanie weenie and doodles and knees and cheese sticks. They got Smidwick's from Ireland, Harp, that's from Ireland too. They also have hot tea. Well, here are the rules of the tavern. Never give back free beer. Always start a conversation with someone you don't know. The customer is always wrong. Most times they're wrong before they even come in. Drink better beer. Bud is not better beer. Do not go to the kitchen for service. Be patient. Yes, we're open. If we weren't, you wouldn't be here. And of course, we serve food, beer, but this is not a bar. It's a pub. You can get your dart on here. Looks like the queen is peeking on the other side of those little draft dispensers there. You got a cup of ice and a Diet Pepsi, and then you had what, Dr. Pepper? Well, you're not in a pub unless you have malt vinegar and Worcestershire sauce. So Dawn, you got the fish and chips. Look at the size of that fish. There's actually two pieces there. That is probably the biggest piece of fish in the Smokies, believe it or not. And the fries are humongous. I ordered the Ruben. Yes, I know we didn't get any traditional, English or Irish or Scottish food. We'll have to try that another time. But here is the Ruben. A little bit different. It's all corned beef's all chopped up. Of course, it comes with these fries.
They're hot.
They're piping hot. They are. Now, when you're over in like Canada or England or what have you, you got to put vinegar on those fries or fish. But I know Dawn won't want on her fish. But that is probably the best fish and chips in this area, bar none. Here's that Ruben. Okay, so the corned beef has a real strong flavor of corned beef, which is good. You put like a sauerkraut. The sauerkraut is really good. The pickle is just right. The rye bread is done very well. This is actually very good. Traditional newspaper. And this is actually really, really good. So what did you think about the Fox and Parrot Tavern?
I want to talk about the food. It's by far the best fish and chips I've had.
Canada, and then I also had fish and chips in Ireland. These here are probably the best fish and chips I've had, especially living here in the South. As long as I remember. In fact, I don't think there's any better. It was super good. Of course, they put it in the newspaper and all that, and the chips were really, really good, or fries for some folks. Of course, they have vinegar on the tables, and if you're from, well, England or Ireland or even Canada, you're going to appreciate that. So I was just totally blown away. So I had the Ruben, and the Ruben was really, really good. In fact, it was so good, it reminded me of my days growing up in Detroit. Of course, if you don't know, Detroit is known for their corned beef. Guys, this is a place here where you don't get fast service. It's an experience. Take your time. Give yourself half an hour more than you would normally get. Take in the sights, take in the scenery. Plus, I don't know of any other places, especially here in the Smokies, where you can get, well, your Scottish, Irish, and your English favorites right here. So definitely a recommendation from us. Well, guys, that's going to do it for today here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. And if you like this vlog,
give it a thumbs up.
Also, please subscribe so you don't miss these upcoming, well, Smoky Mountain Adventures. We have Smoky Mountain Adventures every day. And until next time.
Thanks for watching.
Bye, everyone. So we're back here in the Jeep, and I forgot to ask the question. If I don't ask the question to Dawn, we will get, like, a lot of folks upset. Dawn, would you do the Fox and Parrot Tavern again?
Yes, I would eat here again.
Also, the price is actually below average for this area. So, okay, guys, until next time.
Thanks for watching.